all the way from Oculus in Menlo Park. Let's see, we got a hoodie, design B large, Oculus Rift, refurb grade B, packaged assembly, I guess that's the Oculus Go, sticker, notebook, a whiskey bar. So let's have a look and see what we get. One Zucker knife, let's see here. Okay. Do this one-handed. Whoops. Oh. Like Amazon. Okay. One hoodie, that'll come in handy. It's just hit winter here in Tokyo. Oculus Start looks quite thick. Thank you, that'll come in handy. One Moleskine Legendary notebook. Writing, that's something I haven't done for a while. I'll give that a shot. Let's see. Oculus Go, standalone VR. Ooh, Netflix. I just did the trial with them and watched Altered Carbon, so that'll come in handy. I'll give that a trial tonight. Let's stick that up there. One Oculus Go. What's this? I guess that's the whiskey glass. That'll come in handy. I'll fill that up. Consumer DevKit sleek new journal, Oculus Start stickers, and I guess this must be. Let's see, just have a quick look. Drumroll, and one Oculus Rift complete with, ooh, that's cool, a little bit different. I'm using a Windows MI Acer headset on, which is very good, so it'll be good to test this against that and see how she goes. Wow, there you go. Thanks very much, Oculus, and I'll see you in the metaverse.